Good morning, Scots, and happy Friday before our long-needed break. I'm Kim.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Bree.
And let's start off with some announcements.
Scots, first today is a 2-hour early out.
Lunch is grab and go after 7th period.
Grab and go. Scots, don't plan on hanging out after school.
Second, Thanksgiving break starts today at 1:18 p.m.
Enjoy your break with your family and friends. Third, if you took ceramics over the summer and did not pick up your projects,
come by room 8A and get them. If they are not picked up by November 30th, they will be given away to new homes.
It's time for commercial break.
Girls Soccer is having a fundraiser at the Panda Express on Mount Vernon today. Please show the flyer that is being shown on the screen right now at checkout, and a percentage of your total will go to the Girls Soccer program. Girls Soccer will love your support and have a great Thanksgiving break, everyone.
Now for
Savannah
on the go.
Savannah on the go.
My name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. This is episode 8, and today we're going to be asking the population of Highland what their favorite Thanksgiving dish is. Let's go! Who am I speaking with?
Amory.
Nice to meet you. What is your favorite Thanksgiving dish?
Probably my grandma's egg rolls.
Yum. Egg rolls. Absolutely. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Mr. Thompson.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving food dish?
Look here, I make a cornbread chorizo stuffing. Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Audrey. All red.
And what is your favorite Thanksgiving food dish?
Dude, okay, I am a pumpkin pie girl. I love pumpkin pie. Love it. What about you?
Ooh, I've never been asked a question like that. I like stuffing. Garlic stuffing. It's very good.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we're doing like a sneak attack thing because all of the people in the Plaid Advocacy Center hate when I walk in and then they know immediately like what's gonna happen. So we're gonna rush them essentially. All right, let's go. This is Savannah on the go. We've got interviews going. We're gonna interview the people in the Plaid Advocacy Center. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
You're speaking to Kim.
Nice to meet you. And what is your favorite Thanksgiving meal?
My mac and cheese.
Your mac and cheese. What's
cook
in it? What's in it?
That's secret. I can't get my recipe out.
Secret recipes. Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching this episode of Savannah on the Go. I will see y'all next week. Bye.
Thank you, Savannah.
Now, a word from our sports team.
Hello Scots, it's time for sports. I'm Julian Medina.
And I'm Sarah.
Here are some sports announcements.
First wrestling tournament is happening today and Saturday.
Good luck, wrestlers.
Congratulations to the esports team for winning their first game against Independence High School on League of Legends. Now we have some interviews from the cross-country team with Peter.
Take it away.
Hello Scots, I'm here with cross-country runner
Jasmine.
And how's your season going so far?
Our season's going pretty well. All of our runners are making PRs and progressing throughout the season.
That's good. What was your favorite moment from the season?
It's hard to pick a specific moment, especially when I feel the time I spend with my team is very cherishable.
Are you looking forward to the Valley meet?
Yes, I'm very excited and glad to be given the opportunity again, along with taking new incoming runners who have been with us their freshman year.
Congratulations to Mia for getting into the University of New Mexico. Go Lobos.
Let's get back with our hosts.
That's it for today, Scots.
Enjoy your break before you gotta put in that work again.
See you next Friday.
And always remember to plaid up.